going on, guys? Today we're doing an exciting video that a lot of people have been waiting for. What is up, guys? We're back with another video. This is obviously going to be the exhaust video that a lot of people have been waiting on. The exhaust that I went with, I was back and forth between a few. I went with GReddy DDR, and the only reason is because I found one locally used for a good price, and it's really hard to decide between exhausts for this car because a lot of them sound the same except for like one or two. And I know MA Performance just came out with theirs. AWE is really nice, but I was back and forth between AWE and GReddy for a little while, and then somebody had a GReddy DDR local, so I picked that up. Thanks to Quincy for that. He's probably watching this. And honestly, I couldn't be happier with the sound. The sound's amazing. It has a little bit of drone, but it's only on D-cell, which really doesn't bother me because on my 9th gen I had catless downpipe, NVIDIA N1, so it really doesn't bother me at all. But I could put it in 5th gear and then I could have a solid conversation. It's really not that bad, but in all, I love it. I took a couple videos, I want to say 2 days ago. This is probably like the second half of the video that I'm filming, of a cold start when I had the stock exhaust, and then I put the DDR on, got a cold start, and then me and my girlfriend went out and got a couple shots of me driving by, little rev clips, full throttle clip, just so you can hear the difference between the two, stock and the GReddy DDR that I put on. And I am still stock front pipe. Well, I end up upgrading front pipe eventually, probably, but for right now, this is just an intro to saying that what exhaust I got, and you'll see in the next clip to where the sound differences. Alright, so we arrived to a place I normally like to come to by my house. I'm going to do like a warm start and a little bit of revs because I didn't do that many revs the last time, so I'm just going to make a new clip. I know normally the Type R is famous for having the 3 tips, but I personally like the 2 tips, at least on this, how it turned out. This is obviously the DDR, this is the resonated version. So I'm going to set the camera down and get some revs and a warm start so you can hear what it sounds like. So as you can see, the DDR sounds really good. Oh look, I just hit 2,300 miles. And I've had this car for maybe 2 months. But I'm really happy with the quality and the sound of this exhaust. I'm probably going to do another video in a couple days or so of like my 2-month ownership of this car. I love every second of it. And if you're thinking about getting a Type R, now is the right time to get into the market, being that they hold their value really well. People say they don't want to pay the markup, something like that. I paid a $1,000 markup, but with the trade in my other car, I walked out the door with the markup probably paying, I think I paid $34,800 was what I paid out the door with my other cars at trade-in. So I mean, if you know your stuff, you can get into a car you want to get into. But this will be the end of this video, and I'll